Deadbolt. We're gonna test these. It's gonna lower the center of gravity. Before we put them on, we're gonna see how steep it can climb. My crawler is stock. It's now 50.
It's lifting that tire. Whoa! We're gonna drop it down just a bit.
Don't go over more gas. No, then it'll flip over.
That is the max. So the cushion kind of flexes a little bit. This is the steepest part of it. 49 degrees, right guys?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So what is it now time to do?
Put the upgrades and see if it's climbed steeper. We got a brass diff cover, brass knuckles. So shiny. They feel way heavier.
These are really, really small screws, eh? That's why we have a bowl for all our parts.
One that is on. This one's the new one.
You gotta take the bearing out of this one and put it in there before we put that
Back on there.
back on there.
Bearings in.
What do you got there, baby?
This is the one that was on. This is the new one. We have to move the bearings to this one. I think it looks epic!
It's the same steepness as before, 49 degrees.
Yeah.
So we think it'll climb this no problem now with the new parts on, right? No problem at all. All right, let's make it steeper and see what the max is. See how steep that is. Holy moly. Go. Lucas is ready to catch it in case it rolls.
I tested it.
That's pretty much the max. We'll just back it up a bit. Okay, try that, Dominic.
I catch it if it's rolling down.
Okay. Well, I would say that's the max. 54.
54.
So it went from 49 degrees to 54 degrees with your new parts.
Tears of doom! Doom. 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 Let's time it this roll down. I have a course set up.
There, and then we're gonna go.
There. Go.
Nice.
I don't know how I make this turn.
Oh.
Turn. Oh. Oh. Billy. Get off it. New location. We're downstairs now. I found that worked, but okay. I think it can fit through there. Finish is here. Now my turn. Dominic, are you making another course? Yeah. Okay. Hi, Margaret.
That's pretty steep. I think the brass works pretty good.
It climbs better. It looks awesome.
Hey, how did we get there?
Like the video and subscribe. Like the video and